Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fine today. Today, we will be studying about pronouns. I hope all of you are aware of pronouns. Well, pronouns are the words which are used in place of noun. There are many kinds of pronouns: first person pronoun, second person pronoun. Most of you are aware of these: we, you, he, she, it, they, ours, yours, ourselves, myself. All these are different kinds of pronouns. Right? There are some reflexive pronouns and emphatic pronouns. There is a difference between these two, although the words are same. But the difference is that we can just write the sentence again without emphatic pronouns, but we cannot write any sentence without reflexive pronouns. Otherwise, the meaning will be changed. For example, see the first sentence: I cut myself yesterday. If we remove the reflexive pronoun myself from here, the sentence will have a different meaning. That is, I cut yesterday. That is totally wrong, totally different. But if you see the next sentence, I have baked these biscuits myself. Now here myself is emphatic pronoun. We can just remove that pronoun and our sentence will not at all change. I have baked these biscuits. It means the same only. Right? So I hope till here it is clear to you. The next exercise which we are going to do is of pronouns only. Here in this worksheet you will see that some words are highlighted. Here you can see the words are highlighted and there are some blank spaces which you have to fill with the help of pronouns. Let us just see one example. The family has a pet dog, Snoopy. Each member of the family. Now for each member of the family, the pronoun will be they. Very good. They treat, each member of the family treats Snoopy very well. So Snoopy, now it is coming again. So him, very well. Snoopy, again Snoopy is there. So he. He is the laziest creature on earth. Snoopy, again Snoopy, so we'll be writing he never moves unless it is for some mischief. Again for Snoopy, we'll be writing he loves destroying the neighboring garden. He pounces on the postman every time he comes to deliver letters. For the rest of the time, he keeps on snoozing. Snoopy loves to eat his meals in the special plate. Mrs. Arya gives him, now here it is him special dog food every day. Mrs. Arya, she, now here we have written Mrs. Arya only. We have to change when the word is getting repeated again. Okay, so Mrs. Arya, here it will be she takes him out for a walk every evening. He follows her everywhere and loves her the most. Okay, the next worksheet which you have to do, the B part of this, is about reflexive and emphatic pronouns. Just now I have told you what is the difference between the two pronouns. So you have to just use those words only to complete these statements. It is a conversation between Mrs. Arya and Nikki. So Mrs. Arya is asking Nikki, what are you doing? Nikki is replying, I am chopping vegetables. Mrs. Arya, who taught you to chop vegetables? Nikki, no one, mother. I learnt it myself. Very good. Mrs. Arya, be careful dear or else you will hurt yourself. Nikki, don't worry mother, I won't injure myself. Mrs. Arya, by the way, you have bought new cards for your friend. Nikki, no, I will prepare them myself. Millie also has painted all her cards herself. Okay, so in this way you are going to complete this worksheet number 6, and worksheet number 7 I am giving you as your homework. You just try it by yourself and then we will be discussing it later on. Until then, bye bye. Have a good day.